Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to talk about display setting. So right click on your desktop. Here go to display setting. Display setting, first you can see rearrange your display. Select display. Below to change the setting for it, press and hold or select display, then drag to rearrange it. If you have a multiple display in your PC, then you can simply drag to arrange your display. So now I'm going to drag this and arrange my display like this. If I click on apply, you can see there nothing is happened. But if I go to my display, I can see I cannot move my mouse cursor in here. The left monitor is going to be our secondary display and the right monitor is going to be our primary display. So I'm going to change this, go to personalize again and drag like this and click on apply. And now this time I can easily move my cursor like this. Go to display setting again. In here you can enable night light. If I enable this, you can see you can enable night light on my PC. So I'm going to disable this. Scale and layout, change the size of text, apps and other item, 100% recommended or 120% if I enable this. Now you can see here some of my text and software are here. So I'm going to disable this because of size. And now there are nothing you can see in here. So display orientation and display resolution, you can change your display resolution lower to higher. If I select this, if I select this one also, if I click set change, you can see all of this. So I'm going to change my display setting again with higher resolution. Display orientation, you can landscape portrait or landscape flip or portrait flip. If I select this one and click on revert, it will flip my display. With multiple display, you can extend this display, or you can only show one display, or you can show two display. If I enable this, my second display is not going to be shown. So I'm going to revert this. And you can also enable this, make this my main display. If I enable this, now you can see all of apps and text in my desktop. In advanced display setting, you can see in here, select display view to change the setting. You can see my two display and you can read additional display setting or additional display information in here. Bit depth and color information. In graphics setting, you can browse any apps. If you want to choose an app to set preference, you can choose this. So I'm not going to choose any of my apps. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.